Hello friend, welcome to my channel WildCreed. I am MK. In this video I'll tell you if your sound does not work on your Premiere Pro, so how do you enable your sound? You can see the sound is not working on my Premiere Pro, but I have a computer speaker, but it's not working while I running the Premiere Pro. So first choose your speaker in your sound option. After that go to edit and go to preferences. In this area go to audio hardware, click on that. After this, in this area you should choose your default output, the speaker option, okay, and click OK. Now if you have a Bluetooth headphone, I will tell you how to add it on this option, how to enable. So first go to your Bluetooth option, click on that, and this is my headphone WH-CH510. okay, we should connect that. Now you can see that my sound is not working again. So first go to your sound option in your taskbar and choose your headphone. After that, same process, go to edit, preferences, audio hardware, and choose your headphone. This is my Bluetooth headphone, and click on OK. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel WildCreed.